what do you think of Charlotte's performance tonight?
That was such like an odd vocal. It was so different, but like I kind of enjoyed it. I haven't heard Melanie Martinez's version of Toxic. Don't kill me. I've only heard Britney, so for me this was really, really weird and very like, I don't know. It for some reason it like reminded me of Halloween. I don't know if anyone else got that, but it had that kind of like scary, haunty thing to it. And yeah, I quite enjoyed it. It was nice to see you kind of give a little bit of your power out there, like towards the chorus parts, and then kind of bring it back down. It was, yeah, it was just so different. I quite liked it. Should be proud of that one.
Thank you.
Kelly, what do you think of Charlotte's performance?
Yeah, I do agree with Anya. It was very, very quirky. I think that kind of style of song is where you should like explore in future, because the way that you kind of slide your notes and you've got like it's very breathy sometimes when you're down, it really kind of suits that sort of like slow, sort of jazzy vibe. And watching you really got into that performance. You were really, really feeling it, and that really come through. I think you should be really proud of what you did. It was completely different to what you did in your audition, so you've shown us totally different sides. Well done.
Thank you.
Charlotte, I mean, it was nice to hear you do this sort of thing, because it was very different. But there was a few things I picked up that you was doing, which is not anything for any singer to be doing. And I noticed like some of the notes where you was throwing and you was changing your voice a lot. And I was thinking, is this kind of what she does? But as I was watching and as I was keeping an eye on how you was throwing your voice and things, I could see that you was kind of, well, there wasn't much breathing at all. You was kind of not breathing at all throughout, which is bad anyway, you know, because you need to breathe to get your notes out. But even when you was breathing, they were like in the wrong places, so you weren't catching them. So it was on your chest, then it was in your head voice, then there was a lot like that sort of thing. And that again, it could be because you're new to all of this and you're getting comfortable with it. But again, like you were somebody who could really benefit from the sessions in the studio, because these are things that you can pick up there instead of on stage, you know. There's definitely a talent there, that's why you're here, that's why we put you into the stage too. But I want you to really think about these things. Look on YouTube, you can get like tutorials now for different breathing techniques and stuff. It's worth looking at it, because you have got a talent, and the only way that's going to get stronger and stronger and stronger is by really taking notice of these things you need to work on, alright? Other than that, you should be really proud. I love the quirkiness to this. I like the fact that you took a little bit more risk in moving and things like that, which is always a step up. But just keep believing in your talent. You have to believe in yourself, because we can all be here saying, you know, you're talented, you're talented, you're talented, whatever. So, but ultimately, it's you who's got to tell yourself. So you need to be, when you're at home, tell yourself that, yeah, I am talented, and I am going to push this further in my career, and push yourself. Alright, but you got what it takes, right? So well done. Well done.